Well, hey there, everybody. I have come over to Peddlers Village, Visitor and Event Center, to see their Peeps Contest display. Voting is through April 11th, and then I think the display is through April 27th, which is, I guess, a week after Easter. Then they clean it up and do the Birdhouse Contest. So I'm going to video this and put it up for you. Hope you enjoy it. Oh, and there are some, I guess, stores that also have Peeps display. Last time I covered this with video, I did go around and look at them all. But I may actually do a meetup group and make that a theme where we walk around and find the Peeps display. So I'll add that in the comments later if I do a meetup group thing. Oh, I already see a huge mini-me. And someone has pointed out to me where to vote, so I can vote this year. Yeah, last year I came after the voting. The voting's only until the 11th, I think. Oh, that one's amazing. They spray painted it gold. I think they're getting better every year. I don't know. Oh my, look at that. Peep Khalifa? What? Okay, there's some stuff for sale, but up top there are. That's hard to get any closer than that. Ooh, let's see that one. Oh, it's all. The merch. Oh my god, they even have Peeps animals. I've never seen them before. Someone likes the Grinch.
Did we vote?
I like the oh, yeah.
Bert and Ernie. Wow. That's a good one.
Downtown.
What number it was?
Oh, look at this one with the swing. There's so many to it.
So good.
I know.
I love it.
And it's that time of year.
This is so Willy Wonka, to be honest.
Another Eagles.
The Peeps edition.
Yeah,
Oh, that's so
yeah,
cute.
yeah.
Kind of. Oh my god.
Wow.
I think he has fallen off, whatever it is. What is this? Shady Maple Smorga Peeps? I don't know. Oh, there's some down below.
Hold on, I gotta get my sculpture.
Wow. Oh my. Winner. Winner. Effort. Everybody's saying that, so that's the winner.
The Mardi Gras?
Yeah.
It is so festive.
You decided that one. Oh, you did?
Percy Jackson is there. What? Oh, that's Italian.
Oh, I love this.
No, that should win. That's amazing.
Oh my gosh, guys.
Look at that.
That's amazing. Oh, I have to take it.
Oh wow.
Oh, wow. That's you.
Oh, it's a pizza. That one's really good.
Look at this one.
Totally should win. Totally should win. Right, I'm sure I got these guys that were on this table here.
It's a unicorn made out of peeps. Yeah. Okay, but don't touch me. No, let's do the whole round this way.
No, we gotta go around. Nora, we go around this way, then we get on that
There's
side.
so many more to see. And I want to take a picture of you and Ellie over there. Oh, that's it. Let's take, oh wait, let me take a picture of you. No, I'm going to sculpture. Okay, oh, you. Let me see you. Oh, wait, look at Grandma. Owen, Paul, look at Grandma. Owen, who's your grandma? Who's your grandma? Owen.
This is the one I like over here. This hat one.
No,
I know you
don't
can't
touch.
reach it.
So pretty.
Let's have to touch
I mean, unicorn's very well
Oh, I love that. That is great. Wait, wait, wait.
Look with your eyes. Scratch your fingers. Yeah, just look with your eyes.
Some merch, but there's too more on the end.
Go stand and sit. Go pull up.
It seems like
Go stand
this
over there by
year,
Sissy. No, you don't.
Wicked inspired people.
Grandpa and
Last year it was Taylor Swift, and Eagles all over. So Yoshi,
You
huh?
want a picture next to that one, Owen?
Oh, I see it. I see
Take
it.
a picture next to that big one with Grace.
Oh my God, what is that?
No?
No? Okay.
Holy goodness.
Don't you have that card? Oh, look.
Oh wow, that has to be the one you saw.
With your eyes. Don't let your fingers. I hear music. Where's it coming
Oh, for sculpture, of course I'm doing the demo board again. Am I doing that? I might do Atticus Land. Are you kidding? No.
You have to leave them there.
I feel like you can tell from my votes like what kind of person I am.
Yeah. A unicorn. No, no.
candy.
No, no, no. Don't touch. Come over here. Let me show you something. Look at this one over here.
These are
Where's the
real
music?
candy.
Where's the music, huh?
Oh yeah.
You see that?
I always wondered if they sprayed varnish on them to make them like solider. Do you know what I mean? Like
Yeah.
artist varnish.
Yeah, yeah.
I was wondering that.
And so they don't melt.
I've never
right?
done it.
Yeah.
Well, I don't think it's melting. It's holding up to the glue because the glue would absorb into the marsh. It's porous. You're creating a firmer surface for the glue to work.
Yeah.
Oh,
You
that
want
one's
Grandpa?
really amazing. What is that? Freddy Fazbear? I don't know what that is. I see. Press play. Merch. What is this? Hanging with my peeps and candy.
Danny, I'll put that in the window. Good night, I love Yeah, you did it once.
Godzilla, roar!
I'm sorry.
Ooh, a Peeps map.